Here's a video specifically for folks holding a Solana Seeker and hunting for real airdrop angles. I'll go one dApp at a time, then tie them together so you'll know exactly what they are and how to participate. That said, let's start with the weather network you can actually touch. WeatherXM is a community of people who run real weather stations at home or on their farm. And the network rewards those station holders with WXM tokens for the data they produce. Now, the token went live on May 30th of 2024 and rewards began that day. The project shows a live map of thousands of stations and also licenses weather data to paying users, with WXM set up for governance and data licensing. What makes WeatherXM stand out for Seeker owners is that there's now a mobile app you can install straight from the Solana dApp store on your Seeker. With the app, you can check hyperlocal forecasts, follow or manage stations, and if you own a station, track your rewards. In other words, your phone becomes a dashboard for a real deep-in device you control yourself. WeatherXM has been promoting the Seeker app launch publicly, and community posts highlight it as the first weather app in the Solana dApp store. If you're chasing rewards, the player is simple. Get a WeatherXM station, so Wi-Fi, Helium or 4G models, pair it and start streaming data. Your Seeker just makes the daily routine easy. Now, I've got a referral link in the description for their products, so be sure to use those if you want to support my channel. Now, and as said, the token is already live, so the focus isn't maybe one day, it's set up a station and earn. If you're not ready to buy hardware, still grab the app on Seeker and follow local stations. You'll be positioned for any mobile-only promos during Seeker season. Perenna calls its app stable banking, built around a programmable stable token called USD Asterisk. Now, the headline for you as a Seeker owner is the following. Perenna is a Solana mobile launch partner, and if you install it from the dApp store and claim your Seeker badge, you get a one-time 1.1x API boost, which is a straight 10% bump on your yield and extra pedals for their Season 1 rewards. That's the kind of thing Seeker buyers were promised, real device-gated boosts. What sets Perenna apart is its focus on deep stablecoin liquidity and a token design meant to feed value back to users who actually use the product. Their site leans into USD Asterisk as a utility-driven stable token, and third-party write-ups describe how their AMA routes stablecoin liquidity across structured pools, so swaps stay tight while LPs can still earn. For you, that translates to two paths. Deposit to earn and rack up pedals, and because this is a mobile launch partner, claim the Seeker badge to boost the rate on day one. As far as airdrop goes, Perenna is running a points system called pedals, and points campaigns are the bread and butter of future distributions across Solana, so early on-device activity is the move here. And if you were around Solana DeFi in 2022, you know Solend. In mid-2024, they rebranded to Save and expanded beyond classic money market lending. The site literally pitches it as Solana's permissionless savings account, with lending and borrowing plus new product lines like Sensol and a native stablecoin effort. For people who just want a dependable place to park assets from their phone and earn, Save is the familiar choice. And here's what makes Save extra spicy for airdrop hunters. As part of the rebrand, SLND tokens converts one-to-one to Save and includes MSend, which is a maturing airdrop of Send that unlocks over time. On top of that, Save runs ongoing rewards and points. In short, open Save on your Seeker, deposit a little USDC, watch the API and check the rewards tab. Now, this protocol has a track record of paying out, and it's still doing structured incentives. Sensol is a lightweight crowdfunding app on Solana with a very clear pitch. Create a page, get a unique link, and anyone can send Sol to your project. It's built with mobile in mind and has live campaign pages you can open in your Seeker's dApp store browser. The account behind it says they're powered by Solana Mobile, still in beta, and have no token yet. And that no token yet line is exactly why this belongs in an airdrop focused list, because early users of mobile first apps often get remembered. What makes Sensol different is the simplicity. There's no complicated setup, just a campaign page with wallet native flows. Now, for Seeker owners, it fits your device's double tap signing flow and your .skr identity. So you can spin up a small campaign from a neighborhood event to a creator tip jar and be done in minutes. Use it, share the link, and keep records of your activity. If a token ever appears, this is the sort of on-chain history you'll be glad to have. EnsoFi is a fixed-rate peer-to-peer lending app that launched on Solana mainnet with the goal of letting lenders and borrowers pick terms directly, and they've been expanding cross-chain as well. The fixed-rate angle stands out on Solana, where many money markets drift with utilization. With EnsoFi, a lender can post an offer with an amount, rate, and duration, and a borrower can accept it. Their public roadmap also shows a retroactive rewards program for early users and contributors, which is exactly the kind of phrasing that should make your ears perk up if you're on the hunt for airdrops. For you as a Seeker user, this is the set and forget play. Open EnsoFi from the dApp store, post a conservative fixed rate lending USDC for a short term, and let it run. You're earning while you sleep, and you're also building a record with a project that has talked about retroactive rewards and a token event on its timeline. They've already onboarded thousands of users since their debut, so that's good as well. And before we move on to the bonus dApp, please remember that I'm not a registered financial advisor and that my videos are always meant to be educational and entertaining only. Make sure to do your own research and to only invest money you're willing to lose. Now, nothing in this video is sponsored, which allows me to give me my own honest opinion. Also, make sure to follow all of my socials and to subscribe to my channel, because that way you'll be sure not to miss future airdrops and you're helping me as a creator. And then the bonus one, the extra pick, PLink, and it's a dead simple payment link tool on Solana. You generate a link or QR that requests a specific amount in a specific SPL token, and anyone can pay it. They advertise no registration and no seller fees, plus webhook support if you want to wire it into a site. For a Seeker owner selling stickers at a meetup or taking quick payments, this is actually perfect. There isn't a token, but these are exactly the sort of did you touch it early tools that sometimes surprise you later. Keep receipts of your usage just in case. And then blending this all together, I'd say let's kick things off with WeatherXM, because it really shows what happens when your phone isn't just a wallet, but a remote control for something real. By running a WeatherXM station, you're not just collecting local weather data, you're also earning WXM for it. And your Seeker becomes the perfect way to keep track of it all. Now, from there, let's slide over to Perenna. And this is where Seeker owners get a clear advantage. You can open the app, claim the Seeker badge, and right away you're looking at a 10% boost on your yield. Plus, extra pedals for the rewards program. And that's a strong example of how being early with your Seeker really pays off. Then next up, we've got Save. If you've been around Solana for a while, you probably remember Solana. Now, right now it's safe and it's still the go-to spot for steady yield. And what makes it interesting for us is the token swap from SLND to Save, plus the M-Cent rewards that keep unlocking. It shows how long-term users can benefit just by sticking around. Then we get into EnsoFi, and here the focus is on fixed rates. You set the terms, lock them in, and let it ride. They've already talked about retroactive rewards for early users, which means you're not just earning on your loan, you're also lining yourself up for possible future bonuses. After that, let's flip the story with Sensol. This one's less about passive income and more about getting something started though. On your Seeker, you can spin up a campaign page in minutes, share the link, and start raising funds. Since they don't have a token yet, anyone using it now is planting a flag as an early adopter. And then finally, the bonus one, the last one, is PLink. Think of this as your quick pay tool. You make a link or QR code, someone scans it, and you're paid in seconds. No accounts to set up, no extra fees. And if you've ever sold merch at a meetup or wanted a clean way to accept crypto on the fly, this one is the one to keep handy. And to wrap it all together, if you've got a Seeker, you're definitely in a sweet spot. Solana Mobile is running Seeker season with fresh activations every week, so keep those dApp store notifications on. Claim your Seeker ID and Genesis token, because that's what unlocks perks like the Perenna boost. Now, the whole game plan is fairly simple. You take small actions across apps that already care about Seeker users, and you'll be stacking rewards today while lining yourself up for the drops aimed straight at your phone. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Doei!